2025 is the year to start investing, whether if you're a beginner or you've been thinking about it for a while. This video will break down exactly why you should invest, what to invest, and how much you need to invest. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just making a video about investments. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure you guys like and subscribe and hit the bell notification. Thank you. Step 1. Why you should invest. Investing is how you make your money work for you. If you're just saving, your money loses value due to inflation. But when you start investing, you take advantage of the compound interest, the market growth, and the passive income opportunities. Here's why 2025 is a perfect time to start investing. Inflation is real. Your money needs to grow faster than the average cost of everything. The stock market has always trended upward long term even after crashes. New investment opportunities are emerging, and this is the best time to learn. Even the small investments today can turn into huge wealth in the future. The key is to start now. Now that you know that why investing is so important, let's talk about where to put your money. Here are some investment options for 2025. ETF, Exchange Trade Fund, a mix of stocks bundled up together traded like a stock. They offer diversification and lower risk. Individual stock, owning a share of a single company like Tesla, Apple, Palantir, Nvidia, and Meta. Higher risk, higher reward potential. Mutual fund, a professional managed fund that pulls money from investors to buy a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets. Index fund is a type of mutual fund or an ETF that follows the S&P 500, giving you a wide, broad market exposure. If you're a beginner, I highly recommend doing index fund or a mutual fund. It spread out the risk. And if you want to do individual stock, it's highly rewarding, but you gotta do more research on those single company. Step 3, when and how much to invest? Well, that's a good question. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money will be able to grow in the future. And how much? You should start off with $50 to $100 every 2 weeks or every monthly to start off small. The more income you make, the more money you add into the market. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And if you guys want to see more videos like this about investments, comment down below. Hope you guys enjoy your day and achieve all your goals. I wish everyone the best and be safe out there.